Cupcake Club surprise fans! Look what we have today. We have the Cupcake Tower by Play-Doh. It's under the Sweet Shop. And it also has in it, which is really exciting, we love it, is the Play-Doh Plus. This comes with 5 cans of Play-Doh and a whole bunch of accessories. So we're going to make some cupcakes and frost them with Play-Doh. And this is what comes inside the box. We have a whole bunch of plastic pieces we have to put together. And an extruder. We also have some plastic little molds that will make the cupcakes. And then we got 5 cans of Play-Doh. Okay, I got my cupcake tower put together. It looks like we have a green and a pink little plate. We have a little knife, a little fork, and a little cake or pie slicer. And then what we do right here is we put the little cupcake mold at the bottom. And within these trays, there's a whole bunch of different molds that we can make different decorations for our cupcakes, all through the top. And this is where we're going to put our Play-Doh and squish it down, and it's going to go right into the cupcake mold. All right, here we go. So it's telling us first we're going to make this cupcake. We're going to take some of the brown Play-Doh and we're going to put it in here. So get the brown, stick it inside the bottom of the cupcake, and we're going to put it right in the center of our little cupcake dispenser. Okay, now we have the Play-Doh Plus, which is so amazing. It's so soft. I love it. And what we're going to do here is we're going to put this right in here in the top tube. I think we should put more flour?
Yes.
Or should we just start with that little? I think that's pretty full, so we'll do that. And we'll take the little top extruder, and now we're just going to push down. Oh my goodness, that's cute. Okay, so we took that compound, we made that. Actually looks pretty cute just like that. And then I think I just squeeze it out the sides to make it into the cupcake that it needs to be. And now some of the excess.
I'll put the Play-Doh in his mouth.
I have this super adorable cupcake. I just put it on the plate. Now I'm going to decorate it. We're going to put it in these little molds up here. We can put a little in this little shell. What else? Alright, on the bottom tray, you use a little bit more Play-Doh, and these are larger. You can make actual like cookies to go along with your cupcakes. Okay, so right now I made a plate of cookies with our lower molds. I got a flower and a bow and a donut. And then this is our cupcake. Look at Chloe. We got little surprises on it. You want to feed that to your dinosaur?
Oh no, it's done.
And Chloe's really excited because she's going to take our cupcakes and our donuts and our cookies, and she's going to feed them to her little dinosaur. Oh, I think your dinosaur likes the cupcakes you made. This was fun. This was the Play-Doh Cupcake Tower. You can make a lot of delicious treats. It is one of the funnest toys I think they have out right now. We like to make food with Play-Doh. That was fun reviewing this toy. We really liked it, right, Chloe? Yes. So thank you so much for watching, Cupcake Club Surprise fans. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. Thanks. Have a great day.